The UEDB Deadbolt set. Unbox the set and read the installation manual carefully. Adjust the preferred backset of the deadbolt latch by turning and pulling it. Prepare the door as described in the instructions. For easier preparation, use the attached template. Insert the latch into the door and fasten it with 2 wood screws. Now disassemble the thumb turn rows. After that, combine the cylinder with the cylinder collar and insert the cylinder into the latch with a tailpiece in vertical orientation. Place the sub-rows on the door and fix it with 2 machine screws through the 2 holes of the latch. Push the thumb turn on the tailpiece and the sub-rows so the cams fit into the holes of the center plate, and fasten the thumb turn with a trim ring.